everyone, today we are cooking salmon with lemon butter garlic sauce. These are the ingredients needed. We need to marinate with salt, paprika, cayenne pepper, and you can add a bit of olive oil and let it sit for 5 minutes before you add your rosemary and your parsley. Okay, you just need to heat your olive oil inside. Once done, you can add your salmon and cook for 3 minutes on each side. Make sure it's well cooked. Right, now your salmon will be ready. The next one is how to prepare the sauce. Just add 4 salted butter, add chopped garlic, saute for the next 30 seconds, and you can add your half lemon juice inside with a little bit of lemon zest. And now you can add your parsley, now your sauce is ready to be served with the salmon. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.